Hello students, so your next lecture today is geography and we'll do lesson number 1 and the name of the lesson is local time and standard time. Students, I will send the link of this chapter, but what important points are there in this chapter we will just see. I will discuss only the important points related to this chapter. Now, first thing, the name of the chapter is local time and standard time. Now, what we are going to see in this chapter, the Earth takes 24 hours, that is one day, to complete one rotation. You know, the Earth takes one day to complete one rotation. The Earth rotates from west to east. Okay, so how does the Earth rotates? The Earth rotates from west to east. Due to the rotation of the Earth, we feel the Sun is changing its position from east to west daily. So what you mean by this? Due to the rotation of the Earth, what we feel that the Sun is changing its position from east to west daily. The shadow in the early morning and evening are longest. You know what you mean by shadow. So when the shadows are longest, the shadow in the early morning and evening are longest. The shadow at the noon is the shortest. And when is the shadow shortest? In the noon. Noon means in the afternoon. The noon time is the same at any given longitude across the earth, that is from North Pole to the South Pole. So in this chapter, you will see along with the explanation what is your North Pole and what is your South Pole. The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. Now see, we are dealing with the chapter of local time. And what local time means? The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. At the poles, the daytime and the duration of the day lasts around 6 months. See, at the poles, the daytime and the duration of the day lasts around 6 months. So you will see in this chapter how the duration of day lasts for 6 months. Different longitudes have different timing for sunrise, noon, and sunset. So you'll see what are longitudes and what are latitudes. So different longitudes have different timing for sunrise when the sun is rising, noon, and sunset. Noon, you know, noon means afternoon, and sunset, that is in the evening. The local time of a place on the Earth's surface is determined with reference to its known time. So you'll see you will see this chapter about the local time of a place on Earth. Where we stay on the Earth surface is determined with reference to its known time. As we move towards the east of the prime meridian, the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. See, as we keep on moving towards the east, what increases? Local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. And where this is seen? This is seen at prime meridian. The difference in longitudes can be known with the help of globe or a map. You know what you mean by a globe. Globe means like a one shape of a model representing the earth. So difference in longitudes can be known with the help of globe or a map. If you see a map, what you'll see on the map will be having lines, longitudes and latitudes. So the different longitudes can be known with the help of a globe or a map. Generally, the local time at the longitude, which generally passes through the middle of the earth, is deemed to be the standard time for the country. So in this chapter, you will see in detail what you mean by a standard time for that country. Every country is been given certain time, and that is called your standard time. Now, in this chapter, you'll also see how the time keeps on changing. The local time at Greenwich in England is considered to be the international standard time. So we'll discuss in this chapter what you mean by international standard time. So students, what I read just now is all related to this topic. Now you'll see the detailed explanation from the link which I am sending it to you. So students, please pay attention for the link what I'm sending. Thank you, students.